Welcome to the stand of TenCate Nicolon, which is part of Solmex now. I'm the successor of Martin Bos. Used to work for TenCate for more than 16 years. Started 5 months ago in Hengelo, where I combine horticulture with mushroom as being the market manager of Nicolon. Dealing with our existing assortment, glide nets, tunnel nets, growing nets, covers, groundhouse covers and compost covers. We continue with the quality products of Nicolon. My name is Jan Hulshoff. I'm quite familiar with horticulture and working in horticulture since 25 years now. And the combination mushroom and horti looks like an interesting combination for especially this part in business. Industrial fabrics, textiles is something different, but the combination, the experience and the beautiful enthusiastic market will become a good mix of actors in the business. The strengths, the trustability and the power.